Many people still wonders what is GWM brand. So let's find the answer for today.
GWM stands for Great Wall Motor. It is a Chinese automobile manufacturer headquartered in Baoting, Hebei.
GWM offers different types of vehicles. It offers SUV under Haval and Way brand, new generation electric car under Aura brand, and pickups under Great Wall brand.
The very first model has been built in 1993 in China and later has become the number one in SUV brand.
We cannot deny that GWM has been a face for new energy vehicle. So if anyone is interested in test drive, please feel free to walk into our showroom or contact us via the Facebook fan page GWM Phuket or by the number below. So Pipel, today we have to go now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.